Tutorial shows you how to link a group page to a public profile or a Facebook group, like a business page. So what you want to do is you want to go into settings, and then you're going to do edit page. You are going to turn on the groups tab by clicking add a tab. You want to add the groups tab. If you really want to showcase your groups, you want to drag that tab to the top. You can move these tabs around. And now go back to your page. Okay, and you'll see the groups here. So these tabs move around depending on the way that you order them. So we're going to click on groups. We are going to link a group that you've already created or create a new group. So there's the group that I want. Next, we're going to change the button on our page so that we invite people to visit our group. Where would you like to send the people? Select a group. This is the group we want to send people to. And then click finish. So now when people visit your page, they'll see this link that says visit group. And you can test that button and see what it looks like.